Imagine you just made a purchase at your favorite restaurant using FavePay. You're excited to see that you've earned cashback. But have you ever wondered where that cashback goes? Where does it end up? Let's dive into the mystery of FavePay cashback and find out exactly where it disappears to. Understanding FavePay cashback, start by explaining what FavePay cashback is and how it works. Clearly define terms like cashback rate, eligible merchants, and minimum spend. Use visuals like screenshots or animations to illustrate the process of earning cashback. The role of FavePay. Discuss the role FavePay plays in the cashback process. Explain how they partner with merchants to offer cashback incentives. Highlight the benefits of using FavePay for cashback, such as convenience and security. Where does the cashback come from? Address the common misconception that FavePay directly pays the cashback to users. Explain that the cashback is actually funded by the merchants. Use examples to illustrate how merchants incorporate cashback into their marketing strategies. How does FavePay handle the cashback? Discuss how FavePay collects the cashback from merchants and processes it. Explain the steps involved, such as reconciliation and verification. Highlight FavePay's commitment to transparency and accountability in handling cashback. When do you receive your cashback? Explain the typical time frame for receiving cashback after a purchase. Discuss factors that may influence the processing time. Provide information on how to check your cashback balance and withdraw funds. The benefits of FavePay cashback. Summarize the advantages of using FavePay cashback, such as saving money on everyday purchases. Share success stories or testimonials from users who have benefited from FavePay cashback. Tips for maximizing cashback. Offer practical tips on how to maximize cashback earnings. This could include using FavePay for all your purchases, taking advantage of promotions, and referring friends. Reiterate the main points discussed in the video, emphasizing the transparency and benefits of FavePay cashback. Encourage viewers to start using FavePay to enjoy the rewards. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time, keep exploring the world of FavePay and maximizing your cashback earnings.